There are a lot of seat cushions out there in the furniture world, and it's safe to say Big Sandy knows a thing or two about a comfortable seat. Craftmaster Furniture has just that. Craftmaster's Comfort Soft Cushion System starts with a 2.0 density, high resiliency foam providing a natural spring. The cushion is then wrapped in super soft, thick fiber batting and encased much like a pillow to protect the cushion while providing a smooth look and feel to the upholstery. Every Craftmaster frame is made with oak hardwood solids and hardwood plywoods. These higher quality materials allow for construction techniques that are impossible in lower quality products. Mortise and tenon joinery, doweling, and corner blocking techniques add incredible structural stability and rigidity to each Craftmaster frame. All back cushions are chamber stitched, meaning special sewing and tailoring techniques are used so that there are no sags on the back cushions. This ensures the clean look of your product matches the durability of the frame and cushion. Craftmaster's custom options allow you to create the room of your dreams. Choose from hundreds of fabrics at no additional cost. Some collections offer option of changing the style of arms, legs, and back to make a truly custom piece of furniture that fits your unique design style.